it's Chris with ROE Dental Laboratory. I have a technology update regarding photogrammetry, so you're gonna wanna tune into this whole video. I was at a course called Full Arch Express with 3D dentists. And at this course, the attendees get to do surgery. They perform live surgery on patients. So they're doing a full arch surgery with chrome guided smile. And then they acquire data via photogrammetry and they send that to ROE Dental Lab, and we design the prosthetics for them to print in office and seat the day after surgery. So it's an awesome course. And the nice thing is we get to see the patients for surgery and we get to see them seating their teeth. Now this technology I saw is called the T marker from True Abutment. So I was chairside for all 10 of these surgeries. I saw the data being acquired. The data that came in on our design team all aligned perfectly, they said. There were 10 perfectly seated 3D printed arches on each patient. So all 10 patients had beautiful smiles and left that course happy. A question I got was, hey Chris, can ROE Dental Lab design these full arch prosthetics with this new technology? And the answer of course is yes. No matter the photogrammetry workflow, the Grammetry workflow, we can design your full arch prosthetics for you to print in office or for us to fabricate and we can ship overnight to you. The main question with accuracy always is going to go back to the final zirconia. Is this accurate enough at a micron level to seat final zirconia without breaking? Now, I can't go into the different microns and who does what on all the photogrammetry units because even that confuses me. There's so many out there. But what I can tell you is we have an awesome technology that will help with accuracy, which really leads to passivity. Passivity is the most important part of this whole process. What we have to offer, no matter what method of capture you do, photogrammetry, Grammetry, or even analog, is our new Passivity Plus coping. Now this is a coping that's gonna go into your final zirconia. So if there's any questions about data capture, accuracy, as long as everything aligns in our software, we are good to go, and we are confident with these Passivity Plus copings that you're gonna have a great experience seating this prosthesis. How does this work? Well, with our Passivity Plus coping, on your end, you do the same thing. Your method of capture, your photogrammetry, Grammetry, or analog, none of that changes. The information and data comes over to ROE Dental Lab. We're gonna design that final zirconia, and we are able to insert the Passivity Plus coping into that final zirconia model-free. So that's why your method of capture, everything you do stays the same. Once we submit the Passivity Plus coping in this final, it goes back to you and now it's time to seat. And the way these Passivity Plus copings work is as it seats down onto the multi-unit abutment, it self-adjusts. These are self-adjusting copings. And then as you screw down each one of those, they all kind of self-adjust across the arch. Once they're down, then you go back through and you tighten them all down to 25 Newton centimeters. And now you know you have a nice passive prosthesis where the data was acquired by photogrammetry, Grammetry, or analog, and then we design it no problem, and now we insert the Passivity Plus coping to add that extra level of passivity on your final prosthesis, which ultimately is increasing accuracy and taking the stress out of these full arch cases for you. We're trying to help de-stress a situation on the day of that final seat with our Passivity Plus copings. Again, self-adjusting copings. We cement them here. We do not need a model, and you don't have to do anything different on your end. If you have any questions, give us a shout here at ROE Dental Lab. Check out our Passivity Plus page on our website. And again, try out a final zirconia. Let's help take the stress out of full arch with our Passivity Plus copings. We can't wait to do one with you. Thank you.